What if I told you that you could have a better Pokemon experience than Scarlet and Fire, and with way more bugs, and on Steam Deck? So, obviously, it's very, very Pokemon open world, as you can see. Come on, talk to me, Seviper. Don't do this to me. But yes, it's a Minecraft mod. It's Pixelmon. Everybody's familiar with it, but I'm not sure how many people have talked about actually playing Minecraft or its counterpart mods on oh any videos. So that's kind of why. So yeah, I've getting it set up is actually pretty simple. It's not that hard. See, look, it's like 1-to-1 with Scarlet and Violet. All the Pokemon do weird things. We've got weird graphical things going on. They dance really weird and things like that. So you're really not missing anything here. You've got the full experience. You've got the house that you can emerge from. You can pick your starter. And yeah. Actually, can I? Ace the Viper. And look, we can even catch a Pokemon straight up. So, yeah. I didn't realize that was possible, but yeah, here it is. You can do that. But so setting up a mod on here is pretty simple. So if I go to save and quit to title, and then let us quit out. So I've got Prism Launcher installed, and obviously this is the only one I've set up. So you're gonna have to log into a Microsoft account. If you've used Multi-MC, Prism Launcher, or Poly-MC before, then you've probably already logged in or know how to do that with a Microsoft account because it was updated. But it does have a cat you can bring up. But we go to add instance, and then we can go through here. So obviously you have to install Prism Launcher from desktop mode, but we'll get into that in a second. Let's go with... Do I want that one? Am I sure I want that one? No, I'm not. So you've got a large list of packs to obviously pick from. I think I've covered Multi-MC before. So again, this is basically a fork of Multi-MC because there were places people wanted to package Multi-MC, but it's like, no, you can't do that. Install it the official way, which is basically download the source code or download the binary from the GitHub and then either compile it yourself or package it yourself, which is kind of tedious in a lot of cases. So again, pretty simple setup from there. You can do this all from the deck UI. Just takes a second if it can find it, but it'll set it up, you'll run it, and then go from there. So exiting, you do have to use the exit game because that's basically the close or terminate command. So in order to in order to set it up, what you've got to do is go to desktop mode. You're obviously going to go to Discover, which is where it holds all the flat packs. So Poly-MC was kind of the first fork of Multi-MC that had other packaging options other than what Multi-MC provided. But what's nice about the flat pack stuff is you don't have to really think about installing Java. So you can go into applications, games, and then we search for Prism. And then Prism Launcher comes up, and then you'll just hit install, but it'll ask me to launch in this case. So yeah, it sets everything up for you and installs all the dependencies that you need so that you can just run it straight up. I would recommend logging in from desktop mode while you're still in desktop mode so that you don't have to like fiddle with it too much. Outside of that, where did it go? Right there. So I would recommend setting it up from here, and then it'll be much easier to use once you get into the deck UI. You could set up your own banner and stuff. Again, setting up Steam to run it is pretty easy. You just go add game, non-Steam game. If you don't know how to do that by now, then I don't know. There are lots of videos that show you the two-step process for it, but obviously, as you can see, it runs it scaled in game scope and then goes from there. So the only thing that I've run into that's kind of finicky is some of the layouts for it. So if we go back into once we go back into it, I might have it a little bit homebrewed, okay? Just a little bit. So we'll go into Prism Launcher. And so there are actually a lot of community layouts set up already. So I have this one, but I've had issues with it doing the movement stuff, which is kind of weird. So that might be something that I might play around with other layouts with, but you can see they've got a whole bunch of ones that you can mess around with. So if we go into here, we can view layout, and yeah, it's got everything situated for you. So pretty simple. Most people seem to have it pretty console based, so it's similar to the console games, but yeah, Valve thought of everything and then the community made up for the rest of it, so I can't complain because it runs pretty well on the Steam Deck still. I just knocked a setting or two down and it runs smoothly. If you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, subscribe, feed the algorithm, boost the video up, share this video with your friends. If you found it informative or you just want to chat, I've got plenty of places in the description, Discord, Guilded, and what have you. Check those out, and I will see you guys in the next one.